Good morning, everybody. It is another day in paradise, and it's windy. It's a windy day in paradise. How are you all? Missed you for a couple days. Sorry about that. I think I told you that I was not going to be here Tuesday, and then Wednesday my landscaper showed up, and right when I needed to do my show. So anyway, so it goes. We're on show 795, so I don't think we haven't missed too much. Good to see everybody this morning, though. Good to be back. And let me shut my phone off. Yeah. What's going on? We have 25 days of inventory, which is super duper. Excited about that because it's maintaining itself, which means we may be inching up a little bit because this is a really busy time of the year. We're selling 119 homes a day, and we're still maintaining 25 days of inventory at that $465,000 median price and higher interest rates. So you need to take all that into consideration. The market is healthy, the market is strong, and you need to be able to convey that to your clients, your buyers, your sellers, your investors. And we continue to put more of the homes on the market that are in the median price range. We now have 571 homes, 465,000 and under, and we listed 36 of those yesterday. So things are cooking along here. We did total listings yesterday of 88 homes. That's fabulous. We put 57 under contract and we closed 83 for 2,187 available single family homes. Now, of the condos, the single family homes, the high rises, the townhomes, we have 532 of the 3,000 are actually $1 million homes. So that's, that's a big chunk of our market right there. So we've got a variety, though. That's a good thing, right? We have a good variety, and we seem to be maintaining. I don't see any spikes anywhere, so I think that's good. Like I said, last year we were doing 138 homes, same time frame in April, but now we're doing 119. And I think you've heard me say this. I think a lot of that was still pent up buyers from the pandemic. So we'll see how it all pans out. We did 50,000, almost 51,000 homes last year. And this year, at the rate we're going, we're not going to quite hit 50, but we'll see. Things change. I don't know if the Ukrainian situation is impacting us, and I just thought that I don't have my earphones on, and that was my husband's phone ringing. And I would tell you, if you're going to do these videos, you need to be sometimes more prepared than I am. Right? Okay. I don't have my earphones on. Okay, so I'm afraid if I put them on right now, my audio will go out. So I'm not going to do that. So we'll continue. I think this microphone's okay. It's not as good as my earphone microphone, but anyway, we're all good. So let's move on today. That's about it. Don't forget, next week we have the NFL draft in front of the Bellagio, the stage. Lots of activity going on down there. If you can go down there and do some videos, and we're going to talk about videos today, but there's so much to video in Las Vegas that you have no excuse. Right? You have no excuse. No excuse. And let me just make sure Jimmy's not here. No, he's not here. When I don't have my earphones on, I can't hear that he's jumped on. So